Hey, I just got this new Xiaomi 4K camera, but I wonder why it doesn't turn on. Yeah, just a second dip in a seawater and it stopped recording. Screen went crazy and camera completely shut down after a few more seconds. So let's see what happened. Okay, here is some seawater trapped inside, some more. But else it looks fine to me. Maybe ribbon cables needs a little alcohol rub. Whoops. No worries. I'm washing everything in a tap water and I hope it will dissolve the sea salt. I want to do a few washes like this and make sure water gets everywhere. Okay, camera seems dry after an alcohol rub and a half day in the sun. So here is a moment of truth. I love the first sound and it works. Let's see. This is the latest video. And it's recovered too. Yeah, so if you drown your Xiaomi camera, remove the battery, wash everything, dry, and it's very likely it might work as new. Here are some more video examples, mixed from before and after the accident. Try to see if there is a difference, I couldn't spot any. So enjoy and subscribe for more videos like this.